Hello, hello, hello. Francois here from Go Human AI, a division of KTTP Inc. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's been making waves in the news. It's all about AI, chatbots, and the fears of cheating in high schools. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. So, let's get into it. The news item we're discussing today is titled "Cheating Fears Over Chatbots Were Overblown," new research suggests. This piece is based on research conducted by Stanford University, and it's all about the use of AI tools like ChatGPT in high schools. Now, if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI in San Francisco, and it's been causing quite a stir in the education sector. Last December, as high school and college students began using ChatGPT to help with their writing assignments, fears of mass cheating spread across the United States. Large public school districts, including those in Los Angeles, Seattle, and New York City, quickly blocked ChatGPT on school-issued laptops and school Wi-Fi. But according to this new research, the panic may have been overblown, at least in high schools. The research found that the popularization of AI chatbots has not boosted overall cheating rates in schools. In surveys this year of more than 40 U.S. high schools, some 60 to 70% of students said they had recently engaged in cheating, about the same percent as in previous years, Stanford education researchers said. Now this is interesting, isn't it? The introduction of AI chatbots like ChatGPT was expected to revolutionize education, but it also sparked fears of widespread cheating and misinformation in schools. However, the data suggests that these fears may have been unfounded. But let's dig a little deeper. The Stanford research, along with a recent report from the Pew Research Center, are challenging the notion that AI chatbots are upending public schools. Many teens know little about ChatGPT, Pew found, and most say they have never used it for schoolwork. This fall, Pew Research Center surveyed more than 1,400 U.S. teenagers, aged 13 to 17, about their knowledge, use, and views of ChatGPT. The results may seem counterintuitive given the plethora of panicked headlines last spring. Nearly one-third of teens said they had heard nothing at all about the chatbot, according to the Pew survey, conducted from September 26th to October 23rd, 2023. Another 44% said they had heard a little about it. Only 23% said they had heard a lot about ChatGPT. Now, these findings are quite surprising, aren't they? Despite the hype and the fears, it seems that many teens are not using AI chatbots like ChatGPT for their schoolwork. Only a small minority, 13%, said they had used ChatGPT to help with their schoolwork. But what does this mean for the future of AI in education? Well, the researchers suggest that the focus should shift from fears of cheating to helping students learn to understand, use, and think critically about new AI tools. This is where we at Go Human AI come in. Our AI systems are designed to emulate human sales reps, technical support reps, trainers, and coaches. They can compile complex quotes and conduct advanced logic functions, giving businesses the competitive edge they need in today's market. But we also believe in the importance of understanding and using AI responsibly. So, if you're a business owner looking for an automated sales representative, coach, or customer service rep, why not consider adopting our autonomous AI? It's not just about automating tasks. It's about leveraging technology to enhance your business operations and stay ahead of the competition. Well, that's all for today's news update. I hope you found this discussion enlightening. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to do so. This is Francois signing off. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.